fast-moving urban life, pressure can feel constant, intimate, and difficult to release. For many post-graduation young adults, the city can become a space shaped by urgency, competition, and expectation. They are often surrounded by social timelines, comparison with others, and uncertainty about what adulthood should look like. My project, Another Timing of Me, responds to this condition through a reflective and participatory installation. Its key aim is to create a low-pressure pathway for young adults to pause, reflect, and exchange life fragments with others. The conceptual framework connects 4 parts: the problem field, the target users, the methods, and an emerging design direction. It positions the project within SDG 3, good health and well-being. The first precedent is Post-Secret, which inspired the use of anonymous fragments as a form of honest emotional expression. The second precedent is Before I Die, which showed how reflection can become participatory and publicly shared. The third precedent is The Machine to Be Another, which contributed an embodied and immersive way of experiencing another perspective. Together, these precedents informed my project's direction: anonymous expression, participatory reflection, and an embodied spatial experience. The first design experiment used a fog behavior model to test one behavior, whether users could first pause and begin reflection. The second experiment tested one mechanism, whether personal reflections could be contributed and retrieved as low-pressure life fragments. The third experiment used storyboarding to test the full experience flow from pressure and uncertainty to entry, recording, exchange, encounter, and exit. These experiments led to a probable design zone, a semi-public and semi-private installation that supports emotional safety and reflective participation. Users first cross a softer threshold and enter a quieter, booth-like space separated from the pressure of the outside environment. Inside, they record a shadow-based reflection, allowing expression without fully exposing their identity. This reflection becomes a fragment that can be symbolically matched, for example, through the idea of same birthday connection. Users then receive another person's fragment, encountering a different life path, a different rhythm, and a different way of understanding adulthood. Rather than offering fixed answers, the project invites recognition that adulthood is not linear and that multiple life rhythms can coexist. As a whole, the project works as a low-pressure journey, from entry to reflection to exchange, and finally to a quieter self-understanding. This project could be developed into a spatial prototype, a shadow recording mechanism, a fragment exchange system, and user testing of the experience flow. Another Timing of Me creates a reflective pathway through which young adults can pause, exchange fragments, and rethink their own life